Going for 2 do you want?
No, you're not looking at that.
What do you mean?
Oh, nothing.
It's all rain. I don't care. I just want to take a look. Maybe we get half an inch just now. Magical, the phone's doing this on its own. I'm not gonna wait. Oh, finally fixed it. We're getting like 18 to 23, 25, 84.
You're a blob of snow and you're melting.
It's burning me! Mario, get me out of this thing! It's burning!
It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. It's gonna snow. It's rain.
Okay,
Snow.
I'm looking at it. I was going to see what it looks.
It's all gonna rain.
Where's the phone? I'm refreshing it. Just refreshing it. I see how much snow it is. What do you mean getting out of here? Rain, you're getting nothing but rain. No more snow. Oh, God. We're getting nothing but rain. No snow. Why did it change? I don't want Christmas up anymore. Get out of town. Someone have to burn myself. Rain. I don't want this. This is awful. I don't want this. Mario! Get your butt over here! Ah! Explain me what this is.
Rain. It's gonna rain.
Nantucket.
Oh, rain.
Nantucket.
What?
Nantucket.
Oh.
Why'd you do that?
I'm sorry.
Talk to me. It's cracked right there on the phone.
Dad, it's gonna rain.
Nope, this is in Nantucket. How do you get bringing Derry back? This camera can actually see the thing.
Dad, where you been getting these random phones from?
What do you mean random phones?
This is the iPhone 6, which is a piece of garbage, and the last.
I've been pulling them out of my butt lately.
Dad.
Oh my God, we're getting No, we're getting like 18 inches.
Dad, it's gonna rain.
I just seen it.
But look, can I see the windows are wet? That means it's gonna rain.
That's an inside.
Yeah, it's gonna rain.
No, it's not.
Accurate weather machine for Derry, New Hampshire says we're getting all rain.
Yeah, AccuWeather. I'm not looking at that. That's from
Rain,
Russia.
rain, 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 rain.
I just seen it off Weather Channel.
It's gonna rain. That's what you act like.
No, it's not gonna rain. Not gonna rain. How do you think you act around your family?
Normal? I don't
Yeah,
have
normal.
A nut bag like you and it snows or rains.
Yeah, normal. Yeah, sure. I see you pick your butt every day when I look out the window.
Well, because my butt's wet.
That's disgusting.
Dad, pick my butt too.
You're disgusting like him.
What do you think you do in the middle of the night?
I don't do that crap. I don't even have a butt.
Yeah, you do.
Where? Where's the hole?
I'll make one.
Don't you dare!
If you don't shut up, I'll make one.
Shut up! Getting snow, getting like 2 feet of snow. Getting 30 inches. Now we're getting. Weather machine says 14 to 28 inches. Right! Snow, snow. We're getting snow. I'm gonna look at the TV. Going to look at TV. Going to look at TV. Looking at the TV. Looking at the freaking TV. Magical remote.
Games in the NFL, that would be
Ugh, sports are on. Ugh.
big plays for the 49ers, consistent with the Ravens, and then Lamar Jackson.
What the hell?
Turnovers.
Weird.
Moving up towards Sandusky and Cleveland. A little unusual, but it'll be turning much colder here over the next couple of days.
Work so hard, give it everything you got. Strength of a lion, it's tough as a knot. Rock the stage and we never gonna stop. All straight, no sweat, just in case you forgot. Secret, all straight, no sweat.
Seeing as much as a foot and a half to 2 feet of snow from the Adirondacks into parts of New England by storm of the season.
That's a
Welcome
weird
back to our
day.
coverage. I want to show you how big this system is. That's a big part of why it's going to be a long duration event. So you've got this area of moisture in green coming up and meeting the colder air in the east right now. But then notice the L there, the upper low that is sitting over the Midwest. That is also part of this storm, and that too is going to be coming through very slowly. When we look at the middle spin in the atmosphere, we show
Extra
you where that
filming.
upper
Pink is big right near us. We're getting like 18 inches of snow. Holy crap, it's not even until December 1st. What the hell? Oh, come on, not yet. It's gonna start soon. When it starts, we're gonna play you.
Dad,
What?
I just felt some rain outside.
What's this? Rain, huh? Rain. You felt rain? My butt's big. Get away from my TV. Get away from my TV. Get away from the TV. Get away from the TV. Ooh. Dead. 18 inches of snow. What was that? Getting 18 inches of snow. Where's the remote? Play.
And we're talking about a large area of 8 to 12 there from northeast Pennsylvania, right across the New York State Thruway, as well as into southern New England. And then you see the pockets of more than a foot, indicated by the dark purple, the Adirondacks, much of Massachusetts, into the Boston area. Really tricky forecast there in Boston, as is often the case, because we see a sharp gradient. We go from heavy snow.
I'm just gonna go to the bathroom. Just a nice thing. First, I'm gonna go, Let's go outside and take a
Dad,
look.
can I tell you something?
What?
If you like snow so much,
No, no!